It's time to practice finding our beginning sounds in words. I'm going to say 2 words. Then I want you to say those 2 words with me. And then we'll say the beginning sound in both words. Remember, the beginning sound is where do your lips go first when you say the word. So the first 2 words are mice, mouth. Say with me, mice, mouth. Where did my lips go first? Warm wind. Warm wind, w. Balloon back. Balloon back, b. Goose game. Goose game, g. This tickles. Very, vet. Get your teeth right on your lip there. Very vet. Tickles. So very vet is your first sound. Last leaf. Last leaf is your first sound. Real room. Real room. Send sound. Send sound. Key kitten. Key kitten, k is the first sound. Jelly joke. Jelly joke, j. Thank you for playing with me. I'll talk to you again soon.